military equipment, but also in the cybersecurity world. They do really well there. Good dividend, a long-term player. They have had that V-bottom, Stuart. I am buying Lockheed.
You're buying Lockheed, I can understand that. Fair enough. Thank you very much, DR. Move on to the market and the opening bell, which has been rung, and we are now off and
I will carry nothing but my love for you. I figure we got
Good morning. My name is Jordan Sachs, and I lead our SPAC team here at Nasdaq. Welcome to the market site. Everyone today should be very excited to celebrate the Maywood Action Report listing on Nasdaq under the symbol MAYD. It is my great pleasure to officially welcome ZK Wu, CEO to Nasdaq. Welcome. I'd also like to extend a warm welcome to members of the management team, board, and Nasdaq is honored to partner with you and be your listing event. We're proud to welcome you to our family of the world's most innovative and growth-oriented companies. Congratulations. Maywood Acquisition Corp is a SPAC focused on identifying and merging with high-potential businesses backed by a strong network and deep market expertise. The company is positioned to execute a strategic transaction that creates lasting value. With a clear vision and a dedicated team, Maywood is prepared to drive growth and deliver results in the public markets. ZK, today is a testament to the hard work of everyone at Maywood Action Corp and to all of your passion for leading and innovation. We look forward to a very successful partnership. Now, please join me in welcoming ZK for the remarks. ZK?
Morning, everyone. How are you guys doing? It's an incredible honor to be here today at Nasdaq to celebrate this milestone for Maywood. On behalf of Maywood Acquisition Corp, I'd like to thank the team, investors, partners, everyone who has been through us through the entire process. It's your dedication and commitment to bring us here today. To our shareholders, thank you for believing in us and supporting us through every step of the way. To our legal, banking, advisory teams, thank you for your guidance through many, many key moments. To my Maywood team, Michael right here, thank you for your hard work, day in and day out. Without your support, I don't think we can get to this far. Last week, thank you, all the friends and families. You guys are the backbone. You guys make this moment even more special. Now, we are on to the next chapter. The real challenge just began. I am sure, with everyone's support and everyone's expertise, and all the teams we have here, we will deliver some remarkable results down the road. Now, let's get ready to ring that bell!
So on behalf of the team Freedom CEO and Chair of Nasdaq and all of our global employees who want to present you, Nasdaq Opening Bell Crystal is a testament to our team. Congratulations.
and I will carry nothing but my love for you. All the good and the bad, I will let it be. And I will carry nothing but my love for you. Where do we go when the trumpet sounds? When the last day comes and it leaves no doubt. Like some lost gold leave the underground. I will carry nothing but my love for you. I will carry nothing but my love for you. I figure we got about 100 days with the good supplies and the money we saved. But a time to move's no time to waste. I will carry nothing but my love for you.